Some months ago, Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, the chairman of Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, I saw them agitating that Igbo states and Igbo nation has been marginalized. Every geopolitical zones in Nigeria has 6 states. North Central has 6 states attached to it, including the so-called South-South that does not exist in geography. But they have 6 states, from Edo to Delta, to Bayelsa, to Rivers, to Akwa Ibom, to Cross River. 6 states. But when it comes to Southeast, we have only 5 states. Even though we are still the smallest states in Nigeria, we still have 5 states. What happened? Because some of the Igbos has been called to make other states. There are Igbos called to make Kogi State a big state. When you see people say Kogi State is bigger than 5 eastern states, but Igbos are still living there. Benue, Igbos are living there. The same Akwa Ibom, the same Bayelsa, the same Cross River, including Delta, Igbos are living there. And this is why our mission to National Assembly did not stop by the creation of Anyoma State. We started by saying there should be boundary adjustment. As far as the Nigerian government is concerned, something needs to be done. You cannot keep marginalizing people and be claiming we are one Nigeria. If you want to prove to us that we are one Nigeria, you should also treat us the way you are treating others. We submitted a proposal in the National Assembly for what we call boundary adjustment. It's high time they carve our people from Bayelsa to Delta Igbo. Carve our people from Akwa Ibom to join Abia. From Cross River to join Abia and Imo. From Benue to join Enugu. So that these states can be big and have land mass and have more population. That is why they are laughing at us. They collected our people and used it to be bugaing. And we are here living, I don't care. No wonder the Gala people are trying to thwart the history, because some of the Igbos in Kogi State are now being marginalized and claiming to be Galas. That's what it is. That Robo will be dragging with us that are the biggest in Delta State. That's the reason. But it is high time we do the needful. We submitted this proposal. You see it here. We are pushing this campaign. I want to hear your own opinion. What do you think? Is it a good thing? Tag every Igbo sons in Kogi, in Benue, in Cross River, in Akwa Ibom. And if you are one, let me know what you think about it. Because are you living in Akwa Ibom where you cannot even be a governor there? By the time you come out to run for, you think say this marginalization only because say you are Igbo in the federal character. Even in the state, the banker man cannot contest to be the governor of Edo State. We're only contesting in Delta because we are higher in number. We have more population. We have population. In Rivers, Igbos can contest there because they have population. But can Igbo man in Benue State contest to be a Benue governor? Even if he's the best candidate, who will vote for him? They say an Igbo man won't come rule their state. Can Igbo man contest to be a Kogi State governor? Not only Igbira and the Gala, they drag the state. But there are Igbos there. There are Yorubas there. Can they? So it's hard time you come to this side of the Igbo lace and contribute and let the marginalization stop so that your place can be developed also. Tell me what you think about your own opinion in the comment section. We are going to make sure we are not just online to make noise. We make sure we get what we want through political process.